p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Pope Air Force Base, or 9 miles west of Fort Bragg, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts, heavy downpours, and quarter-size hail. Source, Emergency Management reported several trees down across Hope County. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Sanford, Lillington, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Godwin, Pope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Irwin, and Coates. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roads. And now taking a look at the